Well, we got another Ronco pocket fisherman problem. Let's see. Oh, here we are. Cracked. So what we got some of this aluminum Venetian line stuff. It's pretty tough. So we will slice a piece. Cut. Super easy. But it's darn near indestructible.
But it's a low priority.
Well, Lord have mercy. I'm definitely not the most artistic person. Okay, well, I chopped up a little piece of this crap, and I should be able to glue it down there, wrap it around, glue it. Well, we got a little piece of thing cut here, and I've sanded the inside of it. Hit this with the Dremel. Well, let's mix up a gob of this goo. Well.
Somebody wants to have a no pants protest.
Who, Shauna?
That'll be right up on you.
Oh. Maybe Shauna and White Vans Matter will be there. Alright. This feels like it sticks really good. Let's see. We will coating in there. Well, I guess I'll sit like this for 5 minutes. Well, it looks like the JB Weld has stuck to this very good. So I'm going to clean this up with the Dremel. Well, got it moving freely. This seems to be pretty solid. We'll glue the other end of it down. Will be good as gold. Well, gotta sit here like this for about 5 minutes. Well, looks like the glue has dried pretty good in JB Weld. It's been sitting about a month because I have no concept of time. I need to clean her up. Hey, what the heck? Chill out. Alright, well. Well, we are moving freely. This is pretty darn solid once again. JB Weld and the Dremel saves the day. A little clean up with the knife and bada bing, bada boom.